What's good, everyone? Let's look at gold. Let's focus gold. I hope everyone had a wonderful week last week in terms of trading or in terms of their life even. So yeah, we want to look at gold. If you're wondering why gold was buying so much, is because people removed their money from the dollar. They removed their money from the dollar because they were uncertain if the dollar would able to keep its value or will continue to rise up. So people relied on gold for their savings, for a lot of things, man. Because before Trump was president, many people were skeptical on trusting the dollar like that. You get. So now that Trump is back on board, people are now taking their money back to currency form. So what I have done here, pretty simple. So I tend to combine a lot of strategies together because you can see I'm using support and resistance, and I'm using supply and demand, and I'm also using not Falcon mechanics, but 5%. Okay, let's push, guys. I just want to get a bias for tomorrow. So it's a Sunday analysis, and so I wanna know what I'm looking for tomorrow. So as you can see, this one here, that's the demand. That's where the massive buying came in the market. That's also a value area if you trade Falcon mechanics. And here we have the simple ceiling and floor slash ceiling, so we can also call it support that also became resistance. There is support and it became resistance. And then what we have here is some lines to mark up our patterns. As you can see, this continuation pattern that formed here, I forgot what it's called. I think it's a falling wedge. Or am I wrong? I think I'm wrong. I think it's not a falling wedge. Sorry guys, I haven't been keeping up with these patterns because I've been really focused in school. I'm trying to get good marks. I'm trying to just focus in school. Okay, let me show you what I see. So okay, starting from here, this is the 4 hour, by the way. Gold impulse move correction, impulse move correction. Okay, this whole impulse move correction, this whole part here, you can see this whole thing is a correction, impulse move, and here we chose to break the uptrend. So we're looking for sales, and we below the resistance level, resistance zone, whatever you may call it. So now we're looking for sales. We're looking for sales on gold. People are trusting the dollar again. Remember, this market is actually XAU USD. That's why we can buy and sell at the same time, because we're trading XAU and USD against USD. So the reason why it's selling is because Trump is back in power, and the dollar gained value when Trump came back into power. What I'm seeing here is actually a lot. If you really look here, there is a level here. But okay, let's ignore it for now. Let's ignore that level for now. So here, this is the 4 hour. This is what I'm seeing on the 4 hour. As you can see, impulse move correction, impulse move correction. That's what we're looking for. So what are we currently on now? You might say a correction phase because this is the correction. But if you chop down into the hourly, ads, why so much ads? If you chop down into the hourly, you actually see that we had a reversal pattern right here. It's a two-touch reversal pattern. So the market reversed when it got to this level and started to buy. See how strong the buying momentum was. And then when it came to this resistance, it started to sell again. So we have another head and shoulder. This is the left, this the right, this the left, this the head, this the right shoulder. So we're looking for sales. The problem with the sales is that you see when you trade multiple strategies at once, you see different things at once, and you can only have about 3 directions. It's sideways, up or down. That's it. So actually 2, you gotta buy or sell. You can't enter a trade sideways. So okay, this is complex. So from here we reversed from selling from a downtrend trend. We didn't actually break this previous lower high or higher low. We didn't break it, therefore we still in a downtrend. So the way I see it is that if you look at this two ZMD, so this reversal and we went up. So impulse move, correction, impulse move, correction. Did it break this level yet? No. So we don't know which direction we want to go now. But what I can see here, I can see too many things. This is a problem. I can also see that this is a possibility of being just a correction, I guess. Get for the M4, for the H4. And this can be also a correction to start a new trend 24 hour. So since I'm hesitant, I don't know what's going on while forecasting gold for Sunday, what I'm gonna do is chop down to the 5 minute. Let's get into the details, to the entry time frames. Let's get into those and see actually what we're missing. So yeah, Trump is back in power. We're looking to make money, and that's a new thing for most of us. We're looking to make profits. No more red screens, no more drawdown. Trump, show us what you're made of, man. So yeah, as you can see, the market has been struggling to push under this, what do you call this, a support. Therefore, what we're looking for is a break and retest, or just a break, the support, and then we'll sell, because there's a huge possibility that the market will sell. Or this could be, the sell could be just finalizing the dead touch on this trend line. This is the support trend line. So we could, so let me show you. So we could break out, retest, come and make a third touch here. After a third touch here, then we'll buy, completing the huge correction. Again, completing the huge correction. The positioning is bad. Wait, is it good because it's on resistance? Positioning is bad because if you look at Falcon Mechanics, there's a gap here that needs to be filled. Or actually, it is kind of filled. So maybe we might looking for buys. We might. So remember, guys, we don't only predict, we react. Again, we have to react to the market. We're not market makers. We cannot drive direction. We can just like hop on and yeah, take a free ride. So basically, we're looking for a touch here, a dead touch around here, dead touch here, and a buy. So in the 5 minutes, we're looking at break, retest, break, sell, touch here, buy. Or if that doesn't work, we'll be looking at buy straight up from here, or a sell, like a major sell to close off this gap. Okay, and we have an inflation point right here. But yeah, we see what happens. Or it might come just to retest this level against the trend line. And yeah, as you can see, we also have a fair value gap. Yeah, that's a fair value gap. That's not an order block. I was contemplating whether what to call it, but it's a fair value gap. So yeah, we have a lot of things to say buy and sell at the same time. But we react, we don't predict. So I'm looking to eat gold this week. No matter what happens, I'm ready for it. Yeah, that's the gold forecast. I hope you guys have a lovely day. And don't be scared to subscribe. Don't be afraid that it won't eat you. The subscribe button would eat you. And don't forget to comment on something that I have not seen, or I'm not conscious of, or I don't know of. So you may comment on what you see on code. Thank you for watching. Cheers, mate.